Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix gaming is not installing on Xbox. Let's begin. Now, the error code 0x82d40004 on Xbox for Windows 10 typically indicates an issue with installing or updating games. Of course, here are several steps you can take to try and resolve this problem. Number one is the most obvious thing you need to do is to restart your computer, because sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues with the software installation. So restart your computer and try installing the game again. Now, the next option that you can do if that doesn't work is you might want to check the Xbox Live services. Ensure that the Xbox Live services are operational and not experiencing any outages or maintenance. You can check the status of Xbox Live services on here on the Xbox Status Live page. After that, you might want to check the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Now from here, go to Settings, all right? And I need you to go to the Updates and Security. Click on that, and I need you to click on the Troubleshoot and scroll down and select Windows Store Apps. All right? After that, click on the Run the Troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay? Now, the next option that you can explore is to reset the Windows Store cache. Now, all I'm gonna do is click on Run by pressing the Windows key plus R button to open the Run dialog box, and from here type in ws-reset.exe. Right? What will happen is when you press enter, wait for the process to complete, which may take a few moments. The Microsoft Store will open automatically afterward. Now, the thing is, resetting the Windows Store cache can sometimes resolve the issues with the app installation. Now, the next option that you can do from here, if that doesn't work, is go to your firewall settings. Now, your firewall setting may be blocking the installation of the game. I suggest you temporarily disable your firewall and settings and try installing the game again. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Alternatively, you can also do that in your antivirus software as well. Like your firewall settings, your antivirus may be blocking or interfering with the installation of the game. Temporarily disable the antivirus software and try reinstalling the game again, and remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Now, the next option that you can do from here is basically go to the install and clean boot mode. All right, we need to perform a clean boot mode of Windows that could help eliminate software conflicts which may be causing the installation issues. For that to happen, all I'm gonna do is go to the Run dialog box again and type in msconfig. Once you do that, press enter. A new pop-up window will appear, and I need you to go to the Services tab and click on the Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Go to Startup tab and click on the Open Task Manager, disable all startup items, close Task Manager, click OK on the System Configuration window, and restart your computer. And again, try installing the game in clean boot mode to see if that works for you. Now, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact the Xbox support for further assistance. Provide them with the details about the error code 0x82d40004, any troubleshooting steps you have already taken, and any relevant information about your system configuration. You see the Contact Us option, right? Select an option here, and that's going to be the hardware and network, all right? Now, from here, just type in your problem and wait for an answer, all right? And by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of Xbox game installation failing with error code 0x82d40004 on Windows 10. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.